Hello and welcome to Math Easy. Let's solve for x in this equation we have here. If you notice, we have x inside the radical and we have x as a power of 27. To solve this is very easy. So what we want to do first is to ensure that both sides of this equation are expressed in the same base. So 27 is same as 3 to the power of 3. That is 3 times 3 times 3. So we're going to be writing 27 as 3 to the power of 3. So we're going to then have here 3 to the power of root x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 all raised to the power of x. Okay, so this is same as 3 to the power of root x is equal to 3. We're going to use power of a power rule, so we have 3 times x, which equals 3x. So now that we have equal bases, we can equate the powers. So this would give us root x is equal to 3x. We now have a form of radical equation. So what we want to do here is to eliminate this radical. To do that, we square both sides. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, it shows you are enjoying the lesson, and I sincerely appreciate you for that. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when next I post a video, you would be the first to see it. Thank you. So squaring both sides, this square, we cancel out the square root, we have x is equal to, so this power here is affecting both 3 and x. So we have 3 squared, which is same as 9. X to the power of 2 become x squared. Now let's solve this in the form of a quadratic equation by moving this x to the right hand side and equating it to 0. So we're going to have here 9x squared minus x is equal to 0. Okay, x is common to both terms here. Let's factor it out. We have x bracket 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 0, or 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have it as x is equal to 0, or 9x is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1 all over 9. Now, because during the process of our solving, we squared both sides, so it's very important for us to find extraneous solutions. We are going to check for when x is 0 and when x equals 1 all over 9. So for when x equals 0, the original equation is 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 27 to the power of 0. This would give us 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 27 to the power of 0. 3 to the power of 0 is 1, and 27 to the power of 0 is 1, which makes the value of x as 0 correct. So now let's check for when x equals 1 over 9. So we're going to have 3 to the power of the root of 1 over 9 is equal to 27 to the power of 1 all over 9. So this is going to give us 3 to the power of 1 all over 3 is equal to 27 is same as 3 to the power of 3, then multiplying 1 all over 9, right? So we're going to have this 3 go into this 9 to give us 3. So we have 3 to the power of 1 over 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over 3. Therefore, the value of x as 1 over 9 is also true for this equation. If you find this helpful, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like this video, share, and please support me by subscribing to my channel. Bye.